Number 366. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 feet. What is the area? So we know the area is pi r squared, and the circumference is 2 pi r. What we need to do is use the circumference to find the radius. Once we have the radius, we can calculate the area. Let's solve for r in the equation on the left. So the radius is equal to the circumference divided by 2 pi. The circumference is 31.4 feet. And then for pi, we're going to use 3.14. 31.4 divided by 3.14 is 10, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Therefore, the radius is 5 feet. Now that we have the radius, we can find the area. We're going to use pi for 3.14, and we're going to replace r with 5. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 3.14 is 78.5. Now the unit for circumference was feet, so for area it's going to be square feet. The area is always in square units: square inches, square feet, square yards, or acres. I guess that's the exception. Nevertheless, the answer is answer choice C.